Write your name on the checklist. Now, and I'm going to draw the schematic. We have a 6-volt battery. Connected to the infrared sensor. This one is connected to the infrared LED. It's connected to a 10 k ohm resistor and returns back to the battery. The LED is connected with 220 ohm resistor, connected back to the battery. We then have two 10 k ohm in series. So this would be our, altogether this would be our TCRT 5000, which is an infrared sensor. And then we have our LM324, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, and 11. This will be VCC plus. This will be VCC minus. One has a LED. There's a normal LED connected to it with a 220 ohm resistor. 11 is connected just to the negative terminal. 3 for this over this is connected to the infrared sensor, and 2 is connected to the in between the 10 k ohm resistors. So this is our LM324, our TCRT 5000. So this would be the infrared sensor, and if can't really see, but this is kind of blue, so this would be the infrared LED, but you won't be able to see it using the naked eye. Then we have the LM324. This is a operational amplifier, also known as an op amp. So I will be that will be the schematic drawn, and I will now build this circuit. So the LM324, our TCRT 5000. The 220 ohm resistors are connected the LED connected to one. One of the 10 k ohms. This is the 10 k ohm connected to the infrared sensor. Then we have another 10 k ohm resistor in series with the other 10K ohm resistor. This wire to facilitate the connection. So 4 is connected to positive, 11 connected to the negative. On the LM324, connection tree would be connected to the infrared sensor of the wires connecting the positive to the infrared LED and sensor. We have from connection 2 on the LM324 connected to in between the 10K ohm resistors. So that would be all of the connections. We'll be connecting the battery to so when the batteries turn on and my finger goes out over the sensor, the LED will turn on as shown. That will be build the circuit and test the circuit. Relate the nodes on the schematic to the breadboard circuit. So the node right here will be here. I'll just take off for a closer look. So the node here would be here. The node here would be here. The node here would be right here. The node here would be right here. The node here would be right here. The node between the infrared LED and the 220 ohm resistors here. The node in between the LM323, the point tree, the infrared sensor, and the 10K ohm resistor will be here. The ending nodes here will be here and here. The ending node here will be here. The connection for this one, the node here will be here. So through this wire, the current will be flowing from point 11 on the LM324 to the negative through this wire. The node here will be here, so it will be flowing through this red wire to pin 4 on the LM324. The node here will be on pin 1, which is here, going through between the LED and pin 1. The point in between the LED and the resistor will be here. I don't know if it can be properly shown, but it should be here, in between the resistor and the LED. The point here be right here. And then when it connects all the way back to the battery, so it'll be the battery point, the negative point of the battery will be here. The positive will be here. Battery is on. Oh, the battery must have slipped. Give me 2 seconds. So if I put the battery back in, put back in the wires, and the LED will turn on. It's just the connection is not the best. So that would be the related nodes on the schematic to the breadboard. And that is the checklist shown and updated during the video.